Hey, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to get this quick screencast over to you guys. I'm going to give you a brief website audit and go over any things I see on your website that I think could use any improving at all. They're going to look at some high search volume keywords that I think could generate a lot of new traffic and potential customers to your guys' business. And then we're going to look at what the competition is for those keywords and what you guys have to do to pass them up. So looking at your guys' website, I really like the design you have for your website. It looks great, really draws the viewers and the potential customers in. One thing I was actually really curious about is the tools I have. This is showing that this is a Wix website, which if it is, hats off to you guys. This is without a doubt the best looking Wix website I've ever seen. Definitely, I don't know if you did this yourself or if you had somebody do it for you, but the website looks fantastic. Couple recommendations I do have for your guys' site. You guys do have your contact number down here at the bottom, and I understand that design is definitely important, especially in your guys' field. But making your phone number click to call and also maybe putting it at the top of your guys' website would definitely help with your guys' conversions once people are coming to your website. And that click to call, the reason why that's important is because people are doing mobile search so often these days. That having that click to call allows them to automatically connect with you guys right from their cell phone. So that's definitely important. And I'd also recommend maybe putting it in this upper location up here too, or somewhere on this upper portion of the website. Again, I understand that the design of this is very critical because of the image you guys are trying to portray, but definitely that would help you guys out. The other thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is the amount of content you have on this homepage. So there was a recent study done by Google where they looked at over 1 million different websites across multiple niches. And what they found from this study is that all the top ranked sites had at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content or words on this homepage. So really adding more information about the different services you guys are offering, talking about your market more. These will really help you guys with those rankings down the road. And with that content, it's also important that you guys are putting some high search volume keywords. So words that you guys are trying to get found for in that content, and then we usually try to shoot for at least 5 times that keyword is listed in that content so that Google really knows that this is a service or a keyword that you're trying to rank for, and you guys get pulled up in those search results. So looking at keywords, this is a tool I use. It's called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool, but if you guys wanted to get on there and verifying this information, they have like a $7 7-day trial, so that's definitely something you guys could do. But looking at construction companies in Houston, there's currently 600 searches per month, and then Houston construction companies, there's 200 searches per month. There was a lot of other keywords out there. This is just what I found in a very short amount of time today, but lots of search volume potential for you guys headed towards your business. Being in the top ranked spot for one of these keywords, so like for this one was 600 search volume, you can usually count on getting about 33% of that search volume headed towards your website. So about 200 searches just for this one alone if you guys were in that top spot. This one's actually a little bit interesting, and I'll show you guys here in a minute. The top spot on this one's actually getting about 350 searches per month just for this one keyword that's going to their website. So this is definitely a huge one that you guys should be ranking for. That would generate a lot of new customers headed to your guys' business. So what we're going to look at now is construction companies in Houston. So there's a couple different things I like to go over here. Everybody knows how to use Google, but not everybody fully understands what they're looking at. So this is what's called the Google My Business or 3-pack or GMB. There's a lot of different names for it. This is very valuable territory for your business. Because again, people are doing mobile search so often these days that this allows them to click to call your business. And not only that, but it's also just another piece of real estate you're taking up on this homepage, which is very valuable for your company. So there's a couple different factors for how you guys can get your business into this 3-pack. And also I couldn't find you guys with a GMB at all, so I don't know if that's something you guys don't have. If it is, and I just didn't find it, my apologies, but if it isn't, I would definitely recommend getting that Google My Business set up for your company, just because, again, you can generate a lot of traffic from these GMBs once you get them into the 3-pack. So there's a couple different factors for how you can get your business in here. One of them was known as citations. And citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. A great example of a citation source would be having your business listed on like Yellow Book or Yelp. These are great citations, and the more citations you have, the more likely you are to have your business in this 3-pack. Another ranking factor is your description you have on your GMB. We'll show you real quick here as an example. So the description they have, which they actually don't have a description on theirs, so not a good example. Wow, nobody seems to have descriptions on here. So that would definitely be one leg up. You guys would be able to get over your competition here, is putting that description on your GMB. Generally, there's a spot right here for a description. That is really important just because you're able to put some of these keywords in here like I had talked about a second ago. Put some of those keywords in there, and again, that's going to show Google those search terms that you're trying to rank for. And then the last one is actually your organic ranking, so where your business sits organically. So there's a couple different factors for how you can get your business ranked organically. We're going to go over those here in just a second. But the top rank that we're really going to be targeting today, Zippia, we're not going to go after them just because Google really prefers to rank an actual business over a directory website like Zippia or Yelp or Home Advisor. Those are ones you oftentimes see at the top of these search results. Google really prefers to rank these small businesses over them. So Gilbane company is who we're actually going to be looking at. But first we're going to go back and look at your website. So looking at Ahrefs, there's a couple different things we're looking for here. This allows me to look at what's called backlinks and referring domains. And I'm assuming you guys have a newer website because you guys currently don't have any backlinks or referring domains listed for your business. And the best way to kind of describe what a backlink is, it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. So you have the most popular kid in school, or site A, and he's going to link himself to the least popular kid in school, or site B. And by linking himself to that least popular kid, it in turn brings up the popularity of that least popular kid and makes him look more popular in Google's eyes. So the more backlinks you have and the more referring domains you have, the more likely you are to be ranked in that top spot. Excuse me. And another really important part of that, which I'll show you guys in your competitors, is that they're do follow domains. So looking at your competition, again, we're going to go back to Gilbane. Looking at their website, they don't have a lot of content on here either, so it would definitely be possible to pass them up content-wise. Looking at the back end of their website, you can see here they have 33 backlinks from 14 referring domains, and only 5 of those are do follow. So that do follow is very important. That means you're getting what we call backlink juice back to your website. So very doable numbers to pass these guys up. And again, they're getting 796 searches per month just to this location-specific page of Houston, Texas. So there's definitely a lot of search volume available for you guys to capture by getting into that top spot. If you have any questions on anything I talked about in this video, I'd love to talk to you guys more. Thank you.